Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalarai ban kantop ya ka dolan nong Lumpongdeng na ka jingtmu bante ka 5-star hotel ni Taj Resort and Spa ha yam. Bat ban penkala ya ka jingate bat ka yam hotel private limited hadien ka jingmi jo ka jing persya ka bejur. Ya ka ni ka rai la penbenada unong aiktien ka Sorkar MDA bat Menteri Sorkar ubak wailat mikishla hadien ka jingalang bala penyai daw sembut Menteri Rangba ubak Presiden Tensong bat ka kinhun jong ka senjuk ki Rangba Ashnong Ribhoi District. Ya ka shiti ka bapentip halor ka ni ka rai jong ka Sorkar la ajing thoru da ka Joint Secretary in Charge Tourism ka kong CS Kongwir Sha Chairman ka Green Tech Foundation GTF uba H ban Siudor Nonglang ubala dan ha ka jing shat tangan menta la khat ars ni bat Sha Chairman ka SRSRB uba BB Makdo. Ka Sorkar kala rai ban wengno eki projek kam jungok kai na dolenong Lumpongdeng hadin baka senjuk kala penpau ka jingsu kya ha ka jingalang. Henry kila pen scam baki kwa baka ni ka projek kan beteng ha ka jaka hapo yam lake resort ong uba wailan habakren syakilat betai kubor ha ka arpau tarik yayong. Hadin bang ilayo sngowi ki jing e ki ba kila penpau kila pen syai baka Sorkar na du ka singi ka beningkong. Kelakran syai bahag jingate kular banadu ningkong kalong bakin dan kinu jingte hapo dolan nong Lumpongdeng. Habakin tuwe ki dekat ke GTF bakin sange no ya ka jing syak tangan jongki uba wailat ulaong ni kwa ban kren syai baka Sorkar kamdon AA ban buri halor kani. Ni yang scam halor kani. Kumta ni kerpat iki dekat ke GTF bakin sange no ya ka jing syak tangan namar ngilas ngap ya ka jing da wajongki. Ulapun pauru baka jing temu bakong san jong ka Sorkar hi kalong ban plilat plilinti kenang ban la ban wengi ki jing e ha kalyang ka yo kam yo jam. Haba jubab iki jing ken tho baka Sorkar kala ha ban Pyndam namar ka jing syak penbor uba wailat ulaong. Ki babuan ki beriu ki la ban ong baka Sorkar kala Pyndam. Henry ngakwa ban ong ye phi baka Sorkar kam shim la Pyndam. Henry kala sngap iki jingangnud jing ki paidbah. Haba keli laki donne em ki kinhun ki ba persyang ban shim kabu san perthei shwa ka jing penlong ya ki election shiteng samoy jong ka shulong lok sabha uba wailat ulaong klempap kandan bet ka bakum kata. Kindan buon ki beriu bat ki kinhun bat ngasngo ban amar bak election MP shiteng samoy buon ki kinhun kin persyang ban shim kabu nakani. Ha ka juk kapor ka shiti balapa da katana tourism ka ong ka dolan nong Lumpongdeng ka balai penriu akar ka jinghe klalait no na ka concession agreement ka ba arpusan tarik rempang arjar arpenriu balaya soi hapedeng katana tourism bat ka yam hotel private limited Taj Resort and Spa bat ya ka jingate kular on sapen kelano ban penrung ya ka ni ka rai. Ya ka 5-star luxury resort on satay hakajaka kabahe laipo akar kabadan lupa ka yam orchid lake resort kalaberap.
Today afternoon, the Senjuk Ong of Rangbashnong from Ribhoi came to meet us in the chamber of our Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tinsong, in the presence of the Director from the Tourism Department and along with the member from the Senjuk. So in that discussion from the Senjuk, so they have raised their concern regarding the issue with Lumpongdeng, but they are quite firm that they want the project to continue. But their request from the NA, since there are concern regarding this particular island, so they request the government that to withdraw Lumpongdeng as of now. So after hearing the concern, and then from the government point of view, since from day one we were very clear that in the original agreement that there from the government side we are quite straightforward. We have said from the day one that there will be no construction in Lumpongdeng. It will be purely experiential tourism. So that's why since we today the Senjuk of Rangbashnong came, which are the direct stakeholder of that area. So that's why we thought, since there are concern from public, because as you all know that we are always, no doubt whatever it is, because whatever we do, we want public to support and it is for the beneficial for the public. So that's why we thought that it is best at this point of time that we will withdraw Lumpongdeng from this project. But the original project in the existing building in the Lake, where the Orchid Hotel is there, that project will continue. I appeal to the GTF members are because, like I said from day one, because the main motive of the government by doing this is to bring the employment opportunity for our youth. Because as we all know that we are facing the problem of unemployment, and as you all know that like we cannot give government job to each and everyone. So that's why government is finding these ways and means to bring this this company. And Taj, as you all know, is a prestigious company not in the country, in the world right now. So that's why we thought that we'll bring so that our youth will get the employment opportunity. And then we always, and we want to make it sure that the government have no hidden agenda on this. We are very sure, very firm on that. So that's why I will urge the member of the Green Tech Foundation that since we have listened to your to your demands, and I would request you to please call off this strike. And for the people, for many of the I would say many people will say that okay, government has now have bent down, but I would just like to tell them that government is not bending down. It is listening to the aspiration of the people. That's why otherwise in the past you have seen many government where will use different resort. But we are not that kind of government. We'll always go with the sentiment of the people.